Watch, listen and speak. Hello kiddos, let's learn about months of the year. So kids, do you know how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. January. January is the first month of the year. February. February is the second month of the year. March. March is the third month of the year. April. April is the fourth month of the year. May. May is the fifth month of the year. June. June is the sixth month of the year. July. July is the seventh month of the year. August. August is the eighth month of the year. September. September is the ninth month of the year. October. October is the 10th month of the year. November. November is the 11th month of the year. December. December is the last and 12th month of the year. Lesson review. First month is January. Second month is February. Third month is March. Fourth month is April. Fifth month is May. Sixth month is June. Seventh month is July. Eighth month is August. Ninth month is September. 10th month is October. 11th month is November. 12th month is December. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.